Elevator's bouncy. We are at the IKEA by Christiana Mall, or not Christiana Mall, White Marsh Mall in Baltimore, Maryland. It says elevator 3 up there, so there could be more than one elevator in here. Sure, it's taking a while. Maybe they're loading it up there. Here it is. I have no idea what brand it is yet.
You're shopping in the market hall. Going up.
I would guess Schindler.
Floor 2.
Yep, it's a Schindler. It's got the Schindler chime. Alright. It's a Schindler with innovation cruiser. It's pretty small. I wonder why they picked innovation as the fixtures. I'm gonna go up to 2.
Floor 1. Please exit to the right to continue your shopping in the market hall. Floor 2.
Or there, we can go to Panera after.
Yeah. I've never been to IKEA before. That'll be it.